start by just sculpting a really basic bust using a model just to have some reference, but out of plasticine, so that this is not meant to be a finished piece. This is meant to be a week of experimenting and learning. My work is very much about how you transform a narrative by changing the surface of something. And so this will also be a recognizable bust, but nothing, I made it intermediate because we had to do the bust pretty quickly, but that's not the point. The point will be putting materials on it, changing the narrative, making combinations, seeing what other people do, taking it off, and all along documenting what you see, so that documenting what you've put on there, so that you can push and push and push until you've gone too far, and then taking it off and making, multiple pieces, so that you're really learning about how materials tell a narrative and transform the meaning of a piece, and how you can really, just by changing the surface, really add an incredible story to the piece. And I think the best part is watching other people do it. You learn so much. And then when you're out in the world, you see tons of materials where you think, okay, that would really say what I wanted to say. So it's sort of this is a starting point to continue making work like this that talks about how surface can really create an incredible narrative.